Hello guys, it is Saturday and I am filming for you guys today, and I thought I would share my weekend. Ronnie is currently finishing up, getting ready to walk out the door. Our friends are coming to pick us up. Today is the Pancake Festival and we go every single year. We have a really good time. We eat lots of pancakes. For somebody who is not eating a lot of carbs, probably not the most dietary thing, but I'm planning to have a pretty active day, so I'm going to okay it for today because this girl loves her some pancakes. Last year they had sausages. Sometimes they have bacon, so I'm not really sure what they're going to have this year. It's through Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind, and we lucked out and was able to get a couple extra tickets this year for our friends because basically every blind person, and I'm blind, my husband's blind, we get a sighted guide ticket. So I don't know if my friends know, but they're going to have to guide me today. What do you think, Ronnie? Which one should I use, Laurel or Danny?
Laurel.
Well, Laurel, if you're watching this, you're my sighted guide today. Hello, everybody. I've been home for a little while since I went to the Pancake Festival today. I had 3 pancakes and 1 piece of sausage. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but that's what I ate. Had a good time with my friends. Only got a little snapshot of my plate because it was very hiatus in there and a lot of people. Since I got home, I pulled my hair up in a bun. I've been doing yard work and scrubbing down my lawn furniture out front and just kind of spring cleaning my outside. And while I was spring cleaning, I got done. I went up on the deck with Ronnie for a little bit to have some ice water, and my groceries are delivered. So I had to come down here and get my groceries. So I have 2 cases of the Great Value bottled water. I think it's a 40 count. I got 2 of them. They're at my front door. I just stack them over by my mud bench. Anyways, I got those because I was completely out. I'm usually never out of water, but I was out of water. Also got this right here, this bag of generic potato chips to take to my church tomorrow because we are having a birthday / anniversary kind of party. They're going to have cake, I think hot dogs. Anyways, they're going to be doing that. I'm going to show you guys what I bought, and then I'm going to get me an ice water if I can talk and go up on the deck because I'm very parched. So I'm going to share with you what I bought. Okay, you might hear my husband outside talking at the top of his lungs to his dad because he can't hear, but nevertheless. So I got 4 cans of the diced tomatoes. Ignore this stuff. This is Easter egg making stuff. It had nothing to do with this here. I got a can of carnation. I bought the, I'm getting company in a few days, so I went ahead and got these. I got the Milo lemonade as well as the 0 sugar sweet Milo's tea. Delicious. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator. It'll be nice and cold for company. I got a Chilio seasoning mix because I was out. A loaf of bread. There's a couple outings this week. I'm going to have to pack a lunch, so you're going to see some lunch meat and cheese and that kind of thing, and that is why. So I've got some salad. I am notorious for ordering this. This is my favorite. I get 3 meals out of this bag. Delicious, and you can put whatever you want in it. I put chicken in it. I put tuna in it. I have it by itself. I eat it with, I make like a taco salad situation. You know, it's easy dinner for me, and I love salads, so we're good. 2 things of biscuits because I'm going to make some biscuits and gravy when my company's here. Some wax paper, 4 giant zucchini, not zucchini, what am I saying? Brain is fried. 4 English cucumbers. It will come to me. I love these. I'm addicted, and I can't get enough. So there you go. Some lunch meat, 2 things of parm. Actually did not need 2 things of parm. I must have accidentally hit 2 on my order, but that's okay. Nevertheless, I'll get 8. Some Fiesta Blend cheese, some sliced cheese, some butter, this kind of sliced cheese because my husband likes it, and it is generic, I know, but he likes it, and that's for him. 2 things of bologna, a tub of butter for bread, some Greek yogurt. I did get some Happy Easter napkins. I'm going to put these back here. Let's see. I got 2 things of Jiffy Mix. The Easter napkins were $1. I seen them on the site and just ordered them. Some blueberries. I've been having blueberries, 0 whipped topping, and Greek yogurt pretty much every evening. That's kind of been my go-to. A hot sausage, a bag of frozen broccoli, 4 green peppers, some little sizzler steaks right here, some self-rising crust, I guess rising crust pizza. That's for my husband. Turkey burgers. You know us, we get, that's not turkey burgers, that's turkey burgers. This is Texas toast because I'm making meatballs for my company. I know they'll be thrilled to hear that because it's my mom and dad, and dad's like, what are we eating? Oh, let me guess, meatballs. So anyways, not when the first day they're here, we're not having meatballs, but I am making meatballs. They are on standby if we get to them. 2 things of eggs. I had 1 busted egg in there. That's okay. My hair color, because this will go in my hair around Easter, so I don't look like a scary person because nobody wants that. I spring cleaned my kitchen, and I cleaned through all of my spices, and my containers need to be refilled. So let's see what we got here. We've got chives. We have rosemary right here. Italian seasoning. I go through this like crazy. Some parsley. Some Italian seasoning. I ordered 2 because I go through it like I use it on everything. And then a cinnamon. I was completely out of cinnamon just about. So I stocked up on that. I got the huge thing of pecani sauce. Love this. I think this is the medium one. I put this in chili. I put this in tacos. I make dip out of it. And you get a big bottle and it lasts me a long time. And I love that because otherwise I'm buying like 500,000 little jars. However, I do like the little glass jars. I like the hot is one of my favorites, but not in the pecani. The pecani, I like the medium. So I got a thing of all-purpose flour, 5-pound bag of potatoes, as well as 5 things of the ground turkey meat that I buy and use all the time. It's really inexpensive, and I like it. It might not be your forte, but it's mine. I'm going to put all this away and go get me something cold to drink because I'm going to tell you, I'm feeling my day. I've already done over 5,000 steps today just by doing the yard. And I'm still going. Here is my spice rack. And I got all my spices, reloaded. So I've got Italian seasoning. That goes up there. Let's see. I got cinnamon. That goes up here. Well, I'd be good if that's my cinnamon. If I held the camera right. I've got some rosemary. These are my bay leaves up here. And see, I've got them all labeled nice and black. I did that a long time ago, and I did a whole video on them. My little spice bottles come from IKEA. I love them. And there we go. I'm all set and all stocked up. Good morning, everybody. So it is Sunday. I am up. I'm ready for church. I got a dress on, something that didn't need ironed. I did not want to get out of bed this morning. If you have ever been there was not enough coffee to jumpstart my day today. But one thing that is really awesome about today is all this sunshine this morning. Can you see that? I think I'm going to be working all day when I get home from church. Time we get done eating and I go outside and clean off what I want to clean off out here. And then come inside, and I have a couple things I need to do in the kitchen. And then tomorrow it'll be get up early, and I have to pack our lunch because I'm going to the gym, and then I'm going from the gym to the seminar. And then I'm coming home, and I got work to do tomorrow when I get home. So, yes, busy time for me. It's all good. I'm glad to be busy. I'm glad to have gorgeous weather to be busy in. Anyways, I'm going to eat my egg, and then in about 45 minutes, I'll be leaving to go to church. Here is my breakfast. A lot of you guys ask me what I eat in a day, and it's kind of humorous because I'm a lazy eater lately. But I just spray a bowl with some avocado oil. I crack in 2 eggs, scramble it, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. I have a little microwave, so it takes a lot longer to cook things in it because it don't get real hot. And I need a new one desperately bad, but that'll come later. But anyways, when it cooks up like this, you can put it on an Egg McMuffin, or you can put it on a toast. Sometimes I put it on keto bread with a little bit of cheese. Sometimes I'll just add a little sliced turkey with it. You can even throw anything you want into the egg and then just nuke it in the microwave. But yeah, this is my lazy girl breakfast. Protein in the morning keeps you full longer, and I don't want to go to church and everybody hear my stomach growl the entire service, so I'm going to eat my egg. We got my chicken all broke up. And this is just, I think I said earlier, 3 chicken breasts, 1 bottle of zesty Italian dressing, and of course it's the fat-free, some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and some parsley, and 1 brick of cream cheese. And so all I do is break this chicken up as much as I can with a fork. And it pretty breaks up, it breaks up fairly easily because of the fact that it's all done. Then I add in 1 of these bags of broccoli right in there. And I try to get it down in the juices so it'll get done. And I will put the lid on this and let this cook another about 20 minutes until the broccoli gets done. And then we'll be ready to eat. Now, I typically, after the broccoli gets done, I like to add a little more garlic powder and Italian seasoning to it because we like it really seasoned. But I will tell you, I came home, my house smells so good. I will have to make pasta and everything, but this is what it looks like at this point. I am listening to a podcast, and my broccoli is just about done. I want to get meatballs in for my company that's coming next week. So I went ahead and I mixed all of everything. I've got to mix it with my hands, but it is ground beef, turkey, and Italian sausage, 1 egg, Italian breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And I'm going to mix this all up, and I'm going to make meatballs and put it in this tray and go ahead and get those baked so they can cool, and I can put them in a freezer bag and have those ready for company. And so, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll show it to you before and after I put it in the oven. But this is the most easiest way to make meatballs, and I love it because once they're done, you can pop them in a freezer bag, and then whenever your company comes, I throw them in a crock pot with sauce. I let them cook all day or on low, and they're ready whenever your company's here. You can make meatball subs. You can make pasta go alongside of it. You can serve it with garlic bread and just have meatballs. You can do a side salad and meatballs. Delicious, filling, and everybody loves it. Okay, I got the meatballs all ready to put in the oven. I'm going to put it in at 350 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. And they should be done. And then I'll take it out. I'll let it rest until it's cool enough to put in a freezer bag. So I just made up some peanut butter cookie dough. I'm going to roll each one of these in this sugar over here. And then I'm going to freeze these balls and put them in a freezer bag. And then I can bake them before my company comes. I may not even bake all of them. I may only do half. But I've got not peanut butter kisses, but Hershey kisses. And we'll make peanut butter kisses. So it'll be good. I'm about to take the meatballs out. I just put pasta on. And we'll get dinner served. Okay, here are my cookie balls already dipped in the sugar. And I'm going to throw them into the freezer and let them freeze solid. It won't be till tomorrow that I will actually, put them in a freezer bag so that they'll be nice and firm. These are my meatballs that are out. They've got to cool completely. I've got to drain my pasta. And then we will be ready. And my thing's going off. Dinner is served. It is piping hot, but it is going to be delicious. Today it's gorgeous. Ronnie and I have had a good day sitting out. It's been nice and peaceful. I made myself a strawberry lemonade. I did take some cleaner and go work on that upper deck. Just a little bit. I got the window sills cleaned out that's up there. I wiped down all the furniture that's up there. I will have to take something up there to do the siding that's there. But other than that, everything got done and it looks nice. It's tidy anyways. I did put my meatballs in a freezer bag already. I've washed all my dishes and everything. So when I come home, I don't have much to do. I don't know if you can hear my washing machine, but our gym stuff is in the washing machine right now because we'll be hitting the gym. And I had to delete some stuff off of my camera because it was full. But what I was getting ready to say is that if I can get some snippets of this evening of us and our little festivities, I will, and we'll close out this video. I want to say thank you so much for watching Heidi's Home. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I love new subscribers. And give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know how's everything going your way. Are you having gorgeous weather like we are? We are extremely blessed today to have this weather because it wasn't very long ago that it was 4 degrees. And we was under a pile of snow and ice, and to have a 90-degree day is a blessing. So I'm going to say goodbye, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.